Pepper plants, whether hot or bell peppers, can be saved year after year using a simple method. Many people think of pepper plants as annuals, but they are actually perennials. This means that with proper care, they can live for many years. Saving your pepper plants at the end of each fruiting season not only preserves your favorite varieties, but also gives you a head start on the following growing season. This can result in harvesting more peppers earlier in the year. The first step is to choose your favorite pepper plants. Once you've decided which ones you want to keep, harvest any remaining peppers on the plant. This allows the plant to devote its energy to surviving the winter rather than producing more fruit. After harvesting, prune the plant. This is the most difficult part for many people because it requires cutting back a large portion of the plant. You should severely prune the plant, removing roughly 60 to 70% of its growth. This may appear drastic, but it is necessary to help the plant conserve energy during the colder months. The next step after pruning is to dig up the plant. This should be done carefully so as not to disturb the root ball too much. If the roots are damaged or disturbed excessively, the plant may go into shock and die. Once you've dug up the plant with its root ball intact, it's time to move it to a container. When the weather becomes too cold, you can move the plant indoors or into a greenhouse using the container. When transplanting, give the plant some slow-release fertilizer, such as bone meal. This type of fertilizer releases nutrients over time, which is important because the plant will be in the container for several months. After you've added the fertilizer, fill up the container with fresh soil or compost. This fresh soil will give the plant a boost and aid in its recovery from the shock of transplantation. Finally, give the plant plenty of water. If the weather is mild at night and not too cold, you can leave the container outside. However, once the nights become too cold, it is time to relocate the plant to a greenhouse or another protected area. This will protect the plant from frost and other adverse conditions that could kill it. And that's it. By following these steps, you can keep your pepper plants alive year after year. This can save you almost 2 months compared to starting new plants from seed. You will also have the satisfaction of knowing that the same plants will continue to produce fruit for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more gardening tips, please like, subscribe, and check out our other videos.